You like chicken? Everybody likes chicken. That's why we at the Best Sciences, we have trying to come up with the best chicken recipe of all time. How to cook the best chicken of your goddamn life. And I think we just might have cracked the code. This is an ancient recipe. I got it from my great grandmother. She used to feed the ancient warriors of the old with this chicken recipe. These guys would have the vigor, the real energy for days eating this chicken recipe. So thanks, my ancestors, for letting me know the ancient secrets how to cook the best chicken. Firstly, what do you need? You need a raw chicken. That's for tenderizing it. So get that raw chicken. Not only do you need raw chicken, you need raw chicken that's raised with love. You can sniff out the love when you get really good at this shit. But if you're not good at this shit, because most people lack the intuition these days, just send the chicken to me. I will check it for you. This one, this page, it's all love. One love with this one. You can even see it there. That's right. Next step is to cook the chicken. Man, classic. Very classic chicken flavor, that OG chicken flavor that every human being likes. Then you just let the chicken cook. Wonderful. Let's let it tie a little bit. There you go. Man, oh man. That's good. That is good chicken. This is the most tender chicken you ever gonna cook. 10 out of 10 tenderness. The juiciness of this chicken. Everybody always complaining about dry chicken. Let's check it out one more. Man, it's just bursting with moistness. 10 out of 10 juiciness. Almost like a scallop, the chicken of the sea. Fantastic. That's a tremendous piece of chicken. And let the chicken cook. You're gonna let the chicken cook. Amazing. 10 out of 10 chicken taste. 10 out of 10 chicken tenderness. 10 out of 10 juiciness. That's the chicken nature intended for us. That's the God's chicken. Just how the old man created it. Fantastic. So give it a go. Give the recipe a go. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. And see you on the next one. This has been Base Science with the best chicken recipe of all freaking time. Thanks everybody for watching. Namaste, motherfuckers. And catch you up with the next one. Stay genius. Thank you. Bye.